Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this segment, we'll explore advanced troubleshooting methods and show you how to tackle complex issues with your car's headlights. Let's get started and ensure your headlights are operating at their best. Look for corrosion. Examine connectors and terminals for rust or corrosion which can hinder the electrical flow. Testing the bulb. To test whether the bulb is the issue, follow these steps. Remove the headlight assembly. Unscrew and gently pull out the headlight assembly. Disconnect the bulb. Carefully unplug the bulb from its socket. Inspect the filament. If the filament is broken or burnt, the bulb needs replacing. Test with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting. Place one probe on each of the bulb's terminals. If there's no continuity, the bulb is faulty and needs to be replaced. Checking the fuse. A blown fuse can easily disable your headlight. Here's how to check it. Locate the fuse box. Usually, it's under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. Find the headlight fuse. Refer to your car's manual to identify the correct fuse. Inspect the fuse. Pull out the fuse using a fuse puller and check if the metal wire inside is broken. Replace if needed. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same amperage. Inspecting wiring and connections. Faulty wiring can cause headlight issues. Here's how to inspect them. Trace the wiring. Follow the wiring from the headlight back to the car's electrical system. Look for damage. Check for frayed wires, loose connections, or signs of wear and tear. Test connections. Use a multimeter to ensure there's power running through the wires. Secure loose wires. If you find any loose connections, secure them with electrical tape or proper connectors. Testing the headlight switch. Sometimes, the issue might be with the headlight switch itself. Here are the steps to test it. Access the switch. Remove the dashboard panel to expose the headlight switch. Test functionality. Turn the switch on and off while observing the headlights. If there's no response, the switch might be faulty. Use a multimeter. Test the switch terminals for continuity. If there's no continuity when the switch is turned on, it needs replacement. Evaluating the relay. The relay controls the high current needed for headlights. Follow these steps to evaluate it. Locate the relay. Find the relay box, usually in the engine compartment. Swap relays. Temporarily replace the headlight relay with another of the same type from the relay box. Test the lights. Turn on the headlights. If they work, the original relay is faulty. Replace if necessary. If the relay is the issue, replace it with a new one of the same specifications. By following these steps, you can systematically diagnose and fix the issues causing your headlight to malfunction. Remember to always prioritize safety and take your time, ensuring each step is done correctly. When to consult a professional. Sometimes, the problems with your car's headlights can be more complex than you can handle on your own. While basic troubleshooting steps can solve many issues, there are scenarios where a professional mechanic's expertise becomes necessary. Complex electrical issues. If your car's electrical system is acting up, it might be time to call in a professional. Electrical issues can be intricate and tricky to diagnose without the right tools and experience. Here are a few signs that indicate a deeper electrical problem. Multiple electrical failures. If your headlights, radio, dashboard lights, and other electrical systems are malfunctioning together, it points to a complex issue. Burning smell. A smell of burning plastic or rubber might indicate overheating wires or a short circuit. Intermittent power loss. If your headlights turn on and off without a clear reason, it may signal a failing alternator or battery issues. When you notice any of these symptoms, it's best to consult a professional. Electrical issues can be dangerous and may cause more damage if not handled correctly. Persistent problems. Sometimes, even after going through basic troubleshooting steps, you might find that your headlight issue persists. Here's what to do if you've tried everything, but the problem won't go away. Recurrent bulb failures. If your headlight bulbs keep burning out despite replacing them, there could be an underlying issue with your car's electrical system. Unresolved flickering. Persistent flickering could be a sign of wiring problems, faulty connections, or issues with the headlight relay. Fuse keeps blowing. If the headlight fuse blows repeatedly, it indicates a deeper electrical fault that needs professional diagnosis. In these situations, it's wise to take your car to a mechanic. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the root cause of the problem. Ignoring persistent issues can lead to more significant, costly repairs down the line. These sections will help you understand when to tackle headlight problems on your own and when it's time to seek professional help. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your headlights in top condition. Addressing headlight issues quickly is vital for your safety and compliance with traffic laws. Regularly inspecting your headlights and understanding the common causes of failure, like burnt-out bulbs, blown fuses, faulty wiring, and bad switches, can save you time and stress. Remember to follow each step in the inspection guide carefully, from the initial visual inspection to testing components with a multimeter. This proactive approach ensures your headlights stay in top condition, keeping you and others safe on the road. If you encounter persistent problems or complex electrical issues, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.